Faux versus Picot elastic. Let's settle this. I actually prefer fold over elastic for most lingerie projects and I will show you exactly why, plus few situations where I still choose Picot elastic. Hey everyone, today we are talking about fold over elastic versus Picot elastic in lingerie sewing. A lot of people ask which one is better to use, but honestly, it depends. I will tell you right away, I personally prefer fold over elastic because most of the Picot elastics feel a bit too stiff for me. So in this video I will show you the differences, how they behave and exactly where I use each one. Faux stands for a fold over elastic. It wraps around the raw edge, gives you a super clean finish and it's very versatile. Picot elastic is more of a classic lingerie elastic with a decorative edge. It can look really pretty, but for me it often feels quite firm. So, comfort-wise, faux is usually my to-go. For the underarm area I use both, faux and Picot. It really depends on the pattern. Some designs need a softer, cleaner finish and some designs need something that hugs the body more. For the neckline I use faux most of the time. I love the clean look and how smooth it feels. For panty waistbands I usually choose faux and sometimes I use splashback elastic for extra comfort. For panty leg openings I either use faux or I finish them with my cover stitch machine depending on the look I want. Faux gives a clean lingerie finish and cover stitch gives more of a smooth, sporty look. But for thongs with the side straps, like my Cindy pattern, I actually prefer Picot elastic for the leg openings. It sits nicely, it doesn't look bulky and it works really well with that kind of design. And for garter belts, especially the waistline, I use both faux and Picot. It depends on the look and the structure of the design. And stay tuned because I will be using these elastic choices in my next project tutorial. Now let's talk about the most common mistakes. With faux the biggest issue is waviness. Most of the time it happens because the faux is stretched too much. My rule is, I don't pull the faux, I just guide it. The fabric stays flat and the faux follows smoothly. With decorative elastic the problem is usually the opposite. If it's too short it can dig in. If it's too long it can look loose or flip out. My goal is always the same. It should hug the body gently without pulling. So that's my personal faux versus decorative elastic guide and how I use them in my lingerie projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe or comment and stay tuned because I will use these both elastics in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching and see you on Sunday.